This is how I crashed my robot window cleaner. You think it survived? Well, let's see. But everything from beginning. Hello and what's up guys, Nel is here from NiuxTech team, and today we have received our second window robot cleaner, Alfawise S70, which is kind of upgrade from last year S60 model. Inside of a box you'll find a manual book in English, basic remote control powered by 2 AAA batteries, 12 extra microfiber cloth pads, AC adapter of course, 2.5 meters of power cable, adapter to electricity socket, additional pair of flow pad holders, and finally Alfawise S70 Windows cleaning robot itself. Now as you can see, 5-meter security rope with a hook is already attached to the robot, which is pretty convenient and I would strongly recommend for everyone to use it. I guess you already know why. On the front side, the power on and start stop buttons can be found, as well as some LED lights to indicate activity and failures at any point. Meanwhile, if we flip a robot in the middle part, there are some smart sensors, which I will test later on. Cloth pads can be removed pretty easily, either alone or together with removable plastic discs. And that seems to be logical, as in the box we have an extra set that can be mounted within seconds. It simply makes changing process faster and easier. When it comes to the main features of Alfawise S70 robot, it can be proud of 2800 PA suction power, high efficiency, cleans 1 square meter twice in 3 minutes, integrated 650 mAh battery that will hold up the robot up to 30 minutes in case electricity is gone, average noise level of 65 decibels, and latest AI technology to automatically detect window frames and obstacles, calculate and program the optimal cleaning routes for maximum efficiency. The general setup is pretty easy. Connect all the cables, spray some water or special glass cleaning liquid, turn on the robot and press the start button. Alfawise S70 will start the job and move around your windows by the help of 2 rotating motors underneath. Like always, I was mostly interested to know how good this S70 can clean windows, is it better than Alfawise WS960 robot, and if it's versatile enough to clean different kind of surface. Starting with a normal window cleaning test, the first thing I have noticed about S70 that it's pretty slow. I'm directly comparing it with WS960 model and you can see the huge speed difference in this video already. But anyways, let's talk about cleaning quality. Just like our previous tested model, Alfawise S70 leaves most of the dirt in the corners due to its circle-shaped motor. However, when it comes to the general cleaning quality, it did the job pretty okay. Of course, you could do better cleaning by hands, but still, it's a robot and it does the job for you. And to be honest, I was pretty happy with final results. You cannot deny the obvious difference between those two windows in this video example. Now let's move to the mirror test. Somehow I was skeptical about it, as I was not sure how good S70 can handle cleaning on frameless surface such as a mirror. To my surprise, underneath sensor seems to be working well, but the overall cleaning results were pretty poor, as robot left visible marks after itself. I'm not recommending to use it on mirrors. Moving to the glass wall test. Thanks to the proximity sensors, you can also use Alfawise S70 on a frameless glass walls. I had no problems with it. If you have watched my previous review on WS960 robot window cleaner, you already know that it couldn't handle cleaning tasks on the floor and tricky bathroom walls. But what about this S70 robot? Can it do it? Yes, it can. It did a great job cleaning by tricky walls in the shower cabin as well as our bathroom wall. Although it did stop several times and I needed to press start continue button, I was surprised by overall cleaning results. When it comes to a floor mopping test, S70 is capable to do that. It was funny to observe a fight with a bath mat, but at the end I was still skeptical about cleaning results. I mean, it is slow, and I am more than sure that robot vacuum cleaners with mopping function will do a better job. Tricky it becomes when Alfawise S70 starts to move around power cables, and sometimes it seems to be mission impossible. Maintenance and cleaning is pretty simple as well. Remove dirty microfiber cloth pads, change to the new ones and send the robot back to work. I was positively surprised that they included 12 pads in total. That means that you can use as many you need without need to wash dirty ones immediately. When we compare S70 to its rival S60, both robots seems to be identical, except that S70 model is just a bit smaller and is more efficient in cleaning windows. While S70 cleans 1 square meter in 3 minutes, older model does the job in 4 minutes. Meanwhile, if you take Alfawise WS960 model into comparison, the story is a bit different. WS960 noise level is rated at 60 decibels, while S70 is a bit louder, hitting the 65 decibels bar. And even though the suction power is the same, WS960 does the cleaning job much faster. I would say 3-4 times faster than the S70 robot. Furthermore, the cleaning technique is different. While WS960 simply moves in zigzag pattern, S70 model does the same, but for its movements, it has 2 rotating wheels. So what are the main outcomes from this video review? If you're looking for a budget-friendly robot windows cleaner with an options to clean multiple surfaces such as bathroom wall and floor, you should be happy with Alfawise S70 model. If you want a window cleaning robot with better results, go and check my video review about Alfawise WS960. It is $50 more expensive, however it has not only better cleaning quality, but also it does job much faster. And one more thing, yes, this Alfawise S70 robot crashed 2 times during my test, however with no defects, cracked parts or whatsoever. Seems to be pretty solid unit. Anyways, always use security rope for your own and other safety. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. This was Nellis from NiuxTech, and I'll see you next time.